sibhekene le problem le basitshela la ukuthi Vn and Vy, and Nv are tangent to the circle at N and Y. If basitshela ukuthi bama-tangents okusho ukuthi lo line lo nalo bayalingana, so kwenza ukuthi le angle le ilingane nale angle because i-isosceles triangle izophuma. Baqhubeka basitshela ukuthi A is the point on the circle, bese bethi u-AN, AY and N1, NY are chords such that angle N, A, 65 degrees. Base bayaqhubeka bethi S is the point on AY, so that AN lo line lo no SV babe parallel. Base bethi S and N are joined. Okay. Line join you. Sebethi kokuqala write down with the reasons some other three angles that equals to 65 degrees. So eyokuqala i-angle ezolingana no 65 degrees. Hence we were told ukuthi lawa ama-tangent. So if ngizosuka la kwi-tangent line ngihambe ngizofika kule chord, sithi bengitshelile ukuthi u-NY uyi-chord. So yipi i-angle ekwi-circumference ebhekene nale chord? It's angle 65 degrees. Should la I will have the angle to 65 degrees. Okay. So now, uma sengazi ukuthi no 65 degrees ulingana no, I have to write that down. I will say angle Y3 ulingana no angle A olingana no 65 degrees. Isizathu salokho i-tan chord theorem. Now, uma uqhubeka ubheka enye yesibili, again sinenye i-tangent okudalula ukuthi now le angle mayisuka la kwi-tangent line ihambe izolala kule chord lela, again izophinda ilingana no 65 degrees, ozothi le ilingana nale ngoba isosceles triangle. So kwenza ukuthi u-angle N1 ulingane nawo no angle A olingana no 65 degrees. Isizathu ungasho ukuthi yona i-tan chord theorem, or uzothi u-angle N1 uyalingana no angle Y3 olingana no Y3 manje olingana no 65 degrees. Wayisho njalo ingoba i-isosceles triangle. So another problem, another angle that's exactly equals to 65 degrees, it's exactly angle S1. U-angle S1 uyalingana no angle A ngoba lama lines lawa are parallel, azonginikeza u-F. So uma ngithi kanje la ngizoba no F la, isibese uthatha kufana ma corresponding angles. So which means lama angles lawa amabili anjani nawo ayalingana. So I have to write this down. Ngithi u-angle S1 uyalingana no angle A olingana no 65 degrees. Why ngisho njalo? It's because of my corresponding angles. Okay. So you know my angles are 3. And then the next question it says, we are required to prove that OV, Y, S, N is a cyclic quad. So maybe it has proved it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So let's look at our information basis here. I've got 65 degrees, no 65, no 65. Kule angle lela e 65 degrees. Nale futhi u 65. Kuzomela sibukisise la ekutheni le angle of 65 ibhekene nale chord le eubani eY V noma eVy. Enye angle ebhekene nale chord iyona lela ka angle S1. So as we are required to prove, we will say hence we've proven that angle S1 bulingana 65 kanalo lingana 65 because angle N1 now ulingana nobani no 65 degrees. So because they both equals to 65 degrees. Then this proves ukuthi uma lama angle lingana, so ama angles also that are found in the circle and then are subtended by the same equal chord, those angles which are equal, and they prove ukuthi lama points lawa 4 they will provide a cyclic chord. Ilokhu kuphela kumele ukubheka. And then the next question, it says prove that triangle ASN is an isosceles. So how can we prove ukuthi triangle ASN is an isosceles? We need to prove ukuthi ama angles awuthiwa ngaba akhona inalingana kulowo triangle. Now uma uzothatha ukubheka, we've got 65 la. Since ubuzwazi ukuthi lo nalo uyi-cyclic chord, okuzokwenza ukuthi lo 65 degrees obhekene nale chord le now futhi uzophinda lingana no angle S2, ngoba now lo ubhekene nale line lo uzophinda kube chord kule circle lela. So asibhale lokho phansi okwamanje, we will say angle S2 uzolingana no angle Y3 esimthola ukuthi uba no angle Y3 u-65 degrees. Why sisho njalo? Ama angles which are subtended by the same chord, the chord D2, which is NV. Now if this was like 65 degrees, sorry, if this was 65 degrees, then we can conclude by saying angle S1 plus S2 plus S3 is as 90 degrees. Then let me find angle S3. Then therefore angle S3 uzolingana no 180 degrees minus angle S2 minus angle S1 ngoba the sum of angles in a straight line. Now 180 degrees minus angle S2 65 degrees minus S1 no 65 degrees. So 65 and 65 will give me 130. 180 minus 130, the answer will be 50 degrees. That's your angle S3. Oh my low, 50 degrees. Low N3 uzobuba. So then therefore angle N3 uzolingana no 180 degrees minus angle A minus angle S3. Why ngisho njalo? The sum of angles in a triangle. So 180 minus A wakho 65 degrees, S3 wakho utholela ngaphezulu ku-250 degrees. Then which means 180 minus 65. So you say 180 degrees minus 65 minus 50. Then your final answer will be 65 degrees. So you've proven now with angle N3 with 65 degrees. Then that's resulted in triangle ASN is an isosceles triangle. So therefore triangle ASN is an isosceles triangle because angle N3 ulingana no angle A, where they both equal to 65 degrees.